So we have the string slicing. So what is the string slicing? Extracting substring from the given string is basically known as a slicing of the string. Okay, तो अगर मुझे स्ट्रिंग से एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है और मुझे उसका कुछ रिजल्ट प्रिंट करना है, लाइक आई वांट टू प्रिंट स्ट्रिंग फ्रॉम द मिडल ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग, ओके, आई वांट टू रीड स्ट्रिंग फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग. सो स्ट्रिंग इज नथिंग बट character array. Okay, string is nothing but a character array in Python. So that we can do by using a string slicing. Here the string having the positive and negative both indexing. So generally जो other programming से आपको पता होगा कि वो indexing 0 से start करते हैं, but in case of Python the whatever string we have, so that indexing will be start from the of course 0. When I can start this indexing by the end of the string, so end of the string will be start from the minus. Okay, that we will then we have that is positive indexing is start from the left to right. तो left to right से जो indexing रहेगा वो हमारा positive indexing रहेगा, then negative indexing रहेगा हमारा right to left. Then this slicing also used in other parts, mostly in ML and ML with pandas, numpy and arrays. So guys, whenever we are working with this ML machine learning, so this string slicing you should know, because many of activities we have to do with the string slicing. So no need to write the extra logic and extra code here, because we have already method support and extra functionality is given by the Python, so that we have to use. So that's why we need to learn about the string slicing in Python. Okay, so now let's discuss practically how we can do this string slicing. So in string slicing, wherever I am having any string, like suppose I am having a string that is Ashish I am having. So string will be start from the 0th index. Okay, so first index will be the 0. If you want to access the A, so what is the A index? A index is 0. S index is 1. But suppose I want to start my string from the end, means मुझे end से string read करना है. So what I have, so we have, it will be start from the -1, -2. Means if I am printing the -1, so what it will do, it will print a hash. So this is the very beneficial for users, like whenever we want to read string from the left to right or right to left. Now let's discuss practically. So for example, suppose I am having a string that is suppose S, I have a variable and I am having a string that is Ashish. Okay, and suppose I want to print like a 0th index. So what I can do, S of 0, S of 0. So S of 0 will be print that is A. Okay, now suppose I want to print suppose second number of index character, so it will print that is H. Suppose I want to print that is I'm mentioning that is -1. What is the value of this -1? The -1 value will be the H, because this end of the string will be start from the -1, so it will print the H. Okay, so that you should know in Python. Then next we have that is suppose I am mentioning a size, suppose 33. 33 index number is not present in string, because string is starting from the 0. So A index is 0, S index is 1, H index is 2, 3, 4 and up to 5. Up to 5 it is my index number, but I am mentioning that is more than 5. So what it will do, it will give a error. So what is the error? स्ट्रिंग इंडेक्स आउट ऑफ रेंज, कि आपने जो स्ट्रिंग का जो इंडेक्स पास किया है वो क्या है आपका आउट ऑफ रेंज है, तो इट विल थ्रो एन एरर. देन नेक्स्ट वी हैव सपोज आई वांट टू प्रिंट दैट इज 1, आई एम मेंशनिंग हियर 1 and like suppose I am mentioning that is 3. Okay, so from 1 to 3 you can print the character. I am mentioning that is 1 to 5, so 1 to 5 characters will be printed. Okay, suppose I am not mentioning the second number, like I am mentioning only first number. So what it will do, the 0th index will be skipped. Okay, it will start from the first index, that is first index is S. Okay, so SHISH will be printed. Suppose I want to print that is first index I am not passing here, I want to pass this end index. Okay, what will it will do? Okay, it will print the like this word. And suppose I am not mentioning anything, so then what will be the output? Of course you can guess, it is completely the Ashish will be printed. So how the string slicing supported by the Python? We have the asterisk symbol. Asterisk symbol means what? That is star symbol. Okay, on the keyboard. So by using this symbol we are doing the multiplication operation in Python. तो मैं क्या करता हूँ कि multiplication operation अगर मुझे perform करने Python में, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इस symbol का use करते हैं generally. This symbol in Python is used for multiplication of the string. मतलब अगर आपको स्ट्रिंग का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है तो आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ S? If I am printing the S, so S value is Ashish. Okay, now if I am doing these activities with 4 times, so what it will do, it will be multiply string 4 times. So 4 times will be print, means it is known as the repetition operator in Python. So if you are working with a string, so it is working like the repetition operator. Okay, Ashish will be repeated 4 times. Then we have the len function. So by using len function we can find the length. So we have the len function, then len of s. So it will show the what is the length of this string. So what is my length of the string? Length of the string is 6. Okay. So in Python, this string slicing we have to use like this. In Python, we have the so in case of fundamental data types, we have int, float, boolean, complex, and str that we already discussed. So all fundamental data types are immutable, and immutable means which cannot be changed in the same memory. That we will discuss what is immutability and mutability. Okay. And once we create a object that we cannot do any changes. तो मैंने अगर एक बार अगर object create किया तो हम लोग जो है उसमें changes नहीं कर सकते. Then if you want to do any changes with the any changes, then Python first to check that there is any object available with the same required data. If it is available, then only then okay. Otherwise, the new object will be created. That I will show you how it is possible. Then due to this memory management happens, and this functionality is really help to improve the performance of the program. So now let's discuss how it is possible कि क्या होता है immutability and object कैसे new create होता है. So now let me show you. Suppose sir I have a variable. What is variable? That is a equal to 10. Okay, and a is nothing but variable and nothing but an object here. Okay, reference type of variable. So a is having a value 10. Okay, now let me print the address of a. So how to print the address of a? A address is, you can see here, the 181335856. This is the address of the a. Okay, now I'm going to create the b variable, and b is having the same value. Okay, please concentrate here. B is having the same value, means a ka, what is the value of a value is, a is having a value 10, b is having a value 10. तो दोनों का वैल्यू हमारे पास में क्या है, सेम है. जब मैंने a का एड्रेस प्रिंट किया तो हमारे पास में एड्रेस प्रिंट हुआ. अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, मैं b का एड्रेस भी प्रिंट कर रहा हूं. तो देखो दोनों का सेम एड्रेस है. सेम एड्रेस, here is also same address. Means what? Means when in Python when value is same, जब मेरे पास में वैल्यू सेम होता है तो क्या होता है कि ये जो मेरे वेरिएबल्स होते हैं, वेरिएबल्स आर नथिंग बट ऑब्जेक्ट, ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं ये क्या करते हैं, सेम वैल्यू को पॉइंट करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इम्यूटेबिलिटी. ओके, दूसरी मेमोरी नहीं क्रिएट करेंगे. क्रिएट आई वांट टू चेंज सम वैल्यूज इन द सिंगल सेम वेरिएबल. तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ द ए? व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ ए? ए वैल्यू इज 10 है ना. ए को मैं प्रिंट करता हूं. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ ए वैल्यू इज 10. आई वांट टू मेक चेंजेस इन ए ओनली. मैं सिर्फ ए का वैल्यू जो है चेंज करना चाहता हूं. ओके, सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, ए इज इक्वल टू सपोज 33. okay, a is equal to 33. what is the value of a? now a value is 33. now 10 is replaced by 33. but what happened in Python कि Python में क्या होता है, whenever we want to assign any new values, okay, so new object will be created here and then value will be assigned. मतलब यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि a जो है हमारा old वाला a नहीं रहेगा. अब क्या होगा, न्यू मेमोरी क्रिएट होगी Python में, और Python में न्यू मेमोरी क्रिएट होके a जो है उसको वैल्यू मिलेगा, then that memory will be assigned. so now let me check how. the address of a is 181335886. okay, then 56. when my value is 10, so address was this. okay, now value is changed to 33. so now let me print the address of a. so when I'm printing the address of a, so now you can see here the address is also changed. okay, address is also changed for the a. so this is known as the immutability concept. so in case of immutability, so whenever we want to assign the values, and values is not the same type, okay, so new object, new memory will be created always. okay, so of course new memory will be created, so new addresses will be assigned. okay, that you have to consider.